Uh, Orla said, I want to sell more training and facilitation services to academic researchers. How can I access this group en masse over and above reaching out to individual contacts? Well, you're asking the right question. I don't know because I'm not a part of that scene. But Orla, where are you calling in from?
I'm calling in from Manchester in the United Kingdom.
Hey, all right. I was just there last year.
Okay.
Um, so, well, let's just do a little brainstorm.
Mhm.
Okay, so in the chat, this is a brainstorm for Orla. Okay, so in the chat, I'm going to invite everyone to share your ideas.
Oh, great.
Yeah, how could Orla get reach these academic researchers? Where could they be found? Yeah, associations, conferences, libraries, right? Mike saying pay for the good version of ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT. It's one
Mhm.
thing I have heard ChatGPT can be helpful for is brainstorming hubs.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Mhm.
you can scrape this information from LinkedIn, right? Okay, talk to a tech nerd
Mhm.
friend of yours and they might know how to do that. Right on university campuses, obviously. Or Perplexity, I guess, is an AI thing. That's even better. Great. Journals, yeah, that they write for. Mhm. Public lectures on campus or journal clubs, textbook sellers, university open days. Right, choose specific departments and use university directory. Yeah. There are professional organizations and for researchers and academics for different fields. That's true. So, Orla, do any of these jump out to you, or have you already tried things, or what's on your mind?
Um, some of them do. And it's interesting, the journal one I'm already working on, developing a relationship with a particular journal.
Yeah.
And that's both in terms of content. So I've been asked to write something, but also I may be able to use develop some processes with that journal that they want to implement with academics.
Okay.
So, uh, and professional organizations for researchers, academics, absolutely. And what I'm also going to do is trying to tackle professional organizations for research and related staff, those who convene researchers, the research management offices, for example. Um, so that may also help. Um, the In terms of some of the ideas there, human resources of the academics, there are training departments definitely within universities, and that would be another place to go. And then that would not just limit it to academics, but it would get me at academic related staff and also potentially students and postgraduates. So that's really helpful. Thank you for that. I think that's Samantha. Um, so, and scraping, yes, I hadn't really thought about doing scraping systematically. I've done it informally. So that's really helpful. So lots of useful ideas there. Thank you. And I think association conferences, I need to work out what are the associations with the intermediaries. I think intermediaries are the way to go. I need to find out where they convene and drink
Yeah.
and
Sure.
tackle them.
Now, do you know what a signature workshop is?
Yes, I have a sense, but I'm happy to be refreshed.
Sure. Okay. So I'll put this here in the chat. These are 6 free videos. There's probably like 6 hours of content here for free. Don't have to opt in for anything. But for any of you who are service providers, which I think is most of you, I don't know of anything more potent and powerful to get clients than just getting in front of people and talking about what you do. That seems to be the winner. Why? Because it lets people know who you are, give them a sense of your vibe. They get to maybe ask you questions. You get to share your point of view in a more robust way. This is kind of the thing. And so what I would recommend mostly is come up with an hour-long presentation and tour it. This could be on Zoom because there's going to be a lot of online things, but find out where these academic researchers hang out and then just get in front of them. Um, and share and rinse and repeat. It's the same presentation over and over again. You don't keep coming up with a new presentation. But find the hubs that could host you, the stages you could get on, the groups that would bring you in. And then from there you have your offer, whatever it is. Does that make sense?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
There
Great.
you
Thank
go.
you.
There
Thank
you
you
go.
all, actually. Lots of useful material there.